Today, I'm going to show you something that just dropped and it's kind of ridiculous. Google just merged NotebookLM with Gemini, and now you can pull all your research notebooks straight into Gemini chats. That means you can turn your research into landing pages, social posts, entire campaigns, whatever you need. This is brand new. It's powered by Gemini 3, and it's going to change how you do content and SEO work. Let me show you exactly how this works and why you need to start using it today. So here's what just happened. Google took NotebookLM, which is their AI research tool where you can upload PDFs, Google Docs, slides, and websites, and they integrated it directly into Gemini. Before this update, you had to jump between tools. You do your research in NotebookLM, then copy and paste everything into Gemini or ChatGPT to actually do something with it. Now you can attach entire notebooks straight into Gemini and use all that research as context for whatever you're building. And here's the kicker, NotebookLM is now running on Gemini 3. That means better reasoning, better understanding, better outputs. You're getting the deep research capabilities of NotebookLM combined with the creative and generative power of Gemini in one place. This is huge for anyone doing content, SEO, or running an online business, because now you can take all your research and turn it into actual marketing assets in minutes instead of hours. Let me show you how this works step by step. First, you're going to create a notebook in NotebookLM. Let's say you're building content for the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to create a landing page that shows all the benefits of the community, the AI automation tools members get access to, and how it helps people get more leads and traffic. You open NotebookLM. Now, here's where it gets really smart. Instead of manually hunting down sources, you can use the deep research feature to automatically fetch sources related to AI automation. You just tell it what you're researching and it pulls in relevant articles, case studies, and data for you. So you could say, find me the latest AI automation trends for online businesses, and it goes out and grabs the sources automatically. Once it pulls everything in, you can chat with your sources, you can ask it to generate summaries, you can create tables, you can build visual overviews of all your data. The whole point is to structure your research so it's clean and ready to use. And because it's doing the heavy lifting on finding sources, you're saving hours of research time right there. Once you've got your notebook set up, you give it a clear title, something like AI Profit Boardroom Marketing Research or AI Automation Community Content Hub, whatever makes sense for your project. And here's the kicker, NotebookLM is now running on Gemini 3. That means better reasoning, better understanding, better outputs. You're getting the deep research capabilities of NotebookLM combined with the creative and generative power of Gemini in one place. This is huge for anyone doing content, SEO, or running an online business, because now you can take all your research and turn it into actual marketing assets in minutes instead of hours. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You open the Gemini app, you go to the upload section, and now there's a new option. You can attach a NotebookLM notebook directly. You select your notebook, and boom. All that research is now available as context for Gemini to use. Now you can ask Gemini to do things that would have taken you hours before. Let's say you type this, create an SEO optimized landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that converts visitors into members, highlight the benefits of AI automation, show how the community helps people get more customers, leads, and traffic, make it punchy and direct. A Gemini takes all the research from your notebook. It understands the context. It knows what the AI Profit Boardroom offers. It knows the benefits. It knows the audience, and it generates a full landing page draft in seconds. Headlines, subheads, benefit bullets, call to action, the whole thing. But it doesn't stop there. You can push it further. You can say, now generate 5 social media posts promoting the AI Profit Boardroom using this landing page content. Make them short, punchy, and focused on solving business problems with AI automation. Gemini pulls from the notebook again. It creates 5 posts, each one focused on a different angle, one about saving time, one about scaling faster, one about getting more leads, one about staying ahead of competitors, all grounded in the research you already did. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now, let me show you what else you can do with this setup. You can generate images based on your notebook content. Let's say you want a hero image for your landing page. You tell Gemini, create a professional hero image for an AI automation community landing page, modern, clean, tech-focused, showing business growth and innovation. Gemini generates options. You pick the one that fits. Now you've got visuals to match your copy. You can create app concepts or UI sketches. Let's say you're planning a new feature for your community platform. You ask Gemini design a mobile app interface concept for the AI Profit Boardroom member dashboard, show key features like automation tools, community chat, and resource library. Gemini gives you mock-up ideas, you can refine them, you can tweak the layout, you can adjust the features, all based on the research and context from your notebook. You can build structured SEO plans. You tell Gemini, create a 3-month SEO content strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom, focus on AI automation, business growth, and leads generation. Include keyword targets, content topics, and publishing schedule. Gemini pulls from your notebook. It understands your niche. It understands your audience. It builds a plan that actually makes sense for your business. You can even convert research into product specs or pitch decks. Let's say you're launching a new course or service in the community. You ask Gemini, turn this notebook into a sales pitch deck for an AI automation course. Include problem, solution, benefits, pricing structure, and testimonials framework. Gemini structures it. You refine it. You've got a pitch deck ready to present or turn into slides. Here's why this matters for SEO and content specifically. Most people struggle with two things. One, they don't organize their research well. Two, they don't turn that research into actual content fast enough. This solves both problems. You're using NotebookLM to organize everything, sources, data, insights, all in one place. Then you're using Gemini to execute landing pages, blog posts, social content, email sequences, whatever you need. And because it's all grounded in your research, the outputs are accurate, they're relevant, they're useful. And because Gemini 3 is powering this, the reasoning is better. It understands nuance, it connects ideas across sources, it generates outputs that feel more natural and less robotic. Let me talk about SEO for a second. If you're creating content for your business, you need it to rank. And ranking means having the right keywords, the right structure, and the right backlinks. This tool helps with the first two. You can use your notebook to research keywords. You can use Gemini to structure your content around those keywords, but you still need backlinks to actually rank. That's the part most people miss. You can have the best content in the world, but if nobody's linking to it, Google won't push it to the top. That's where link building comes in. And that's what my agency does. We build high quality backlinks that help your content rank higher, get more traffic, and bring in more leads. Now, let me give you some tips to get the most out of this. First, when you're creating notebooks, be specific with your sources. Don't just dump random PDFs in there. Choose sources that are relevant, high quality, and directly related to what you're trying to build. Second, use the deep research feature in NotebookLM. Don't just upload files and move on. Chat with your sources, ask questions, generate summaries. The more you organize your research up front, the better Gemini's outputs will be. This is the kind of update that changes workflows. If you're doing content, SEO, or running any kind of online business, you need to start using this today because your competitors are going to figure this out. And the faster you move, the bigger your advantage. If you're creating content but struggling to get traffic, that's an SEO problem. My team at Goldie Agency can help you rank higher, get more leads, and bring in more customers. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on what you do best. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.